We are going to solve the question number 17 of your NCERT. Question number 17 of your NCERT. Exercise 6.5. The question is a square piece of tin of side 18 cm. We have a square piece of tin. This is your square piece of tin. A square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter is to be made into a box without top by cutting the square from each corner and folding up the flat to form the box. Without, what should be the side of the square to be cut off so that volume of the box is to be maximum. So we have a square piece of tin. We have a square piece of tin. Student, this is your square piece of tin. Student, this is your square piece of tin of side 18 centimeter. The whole side is 18 centimeter. This is whole side is 18 centimeter. A box is formed by the top by cutting a square from each corner. Is to be we cut square on each corner. Suppose in each corner here we cut a square. This is, and one square here we cut. Here also we cut one square, and here also we cut one square. From each corner, one square is cut. Then we fold this and make the box. Suppose this portion is removed. This is removed. This is also removed. These portions are removed, and then we fold this and make a box. Then we fold this and make a box. Let the side of this square be x. This is x and this is x. This is x. This is also x. And this is x, this is also x, and this is x, this is also x. So x distance removed from here and x distance removed from here. Now the length of this portion is 18 minus 2x. We also find the length of this portion. This is also 18 minus 2x. And then we fold this. So this portion becomes height of the box. Because this is folded to this portion becomes the height of the box. अगर इस स्टूडेंट अगर हम इसको फोल्ड करेंगे तो ये डिस्टेंस आपकी हाइट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. ये डिस्टेंस आपकी हाइट में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. Now let us write the description here. First we consider the side of square. Side of square cut off side of square, cut off from each corner of box is equal to x. We consider, let x unit length square is cut from each corner. ईच कॉर्नर से जो स्क्वायर कट हुए हैं उनकी लेंथ हमने लेट कर ली कि x यूनिट है. नाउ दिस बिकम द हाइट ऑफ द बॉक्स. नाउ हियर वी राइट, नाउ हाइट ऑफ द बॉक्स is equal to x and length, what is the length? Length is 18 minus 2 and breadth is also 18 minus 2. Now box is in cuboid form. Box is in cuboid form. So we apply the formula of cuboid. So volume of box is equal to L into V into X. Now we substitute the value. So V is equal to, the length is 18 minus 2x. This is also 18 minus 2x and height is x. Now this is your x into 18 minus 2x whole square. If we want to take common, we take 1, 2, but there is no need to take common. So this is your equation first. Now for what is the maximum and minimum value of x? We differentiate this function. So differentiating 1 with respect to x. We differentiate this function with respect to x, then we get dv upon dx. Here we use UV method, product rule. We write x first and differentiate 18 minus 2x. Then here we write 18 minus 2x, whole square and dy dx of x. Now this is x and this is 2 times 18 minus 2x and differentiation of 18 is 0 and minus 2x is minus 2. Now differentiation of x is 1, so here we only write 18 minus 2x. Now student, here we see that 18 minus 2x is common. So we take common, 18 minus 2x is common and in bracket we get minus 4x plus 18 minus 2. Minus 4x plus 18 minus 2. So this is your 18 minus 2x and this is your 18 minus 6x. This is your double derivative. Now for maximum and minimum value of x. Student, let us consider this is your second equation. Now for maximum and minimum value of x, dv upon dx must be 0. So here we write for maximum and minimum value of x, our dv upon dx is equal to, it means student 18 minus 2x and 18 minus 6x is equal to. If 18 minus 2x is equal to 0, then 2x is equal to 18, it means x is equal to 9. We find one value here, x is equal to 9. And student, if 18 minus 6x is equal to 0. It means 6x is equal to 18. It means x is equal to 6 3 18. We have second value here. This is your second value. Now we find two value of x here, but we doesn't know which is maximum value and which is minimum value. For this we differentiate equation second again. Differentiate equation second again. So now differentiating equation second. So differentiate equation. So here we get d square v upon dx square and d upon dx of 18 minus 2x, and this is your 18 minus 6. So this is your second equation. Again we apply here chain rule. Product rule. So this is 18 minus 2x d by dx of 18 minus 6x plus 18 minus 6x d by dx of 18 minus 2. So this is your minus 6, 18 minus 2x, and this is your minus 2, 18 minus 6. Now student, if we substitute 9, here 9, we see that this part of become 0 and this part of become positive. If we substitute 9 here, so 18 minus 18 0. And 9 6 ja 54, and this is negative, this become positive. So x is equal to 9 is neglected, because at x is equal to 9 we see that our derivative is positive. Now we check at x is equal to 3. So at x is equal to 3, our derivative is d2v upon dx square. This is minus 6, 18 minus 2 into 3, and this part becomes 0. So 18 minus 6, 6 into 18 minus 6 is 12. This is your minus 70, and this is your negative with maximum. So our volume is maximum when x is equal to 3. So what is the length of the side of the square? So length of the side of the square is 3 unit or 3 centimeter. Hence the length of the side of the square is length of side of square is 3 centimeter. So student, this is your final answer. This is your final answer, and this is a very good question of your NCERT book. So note down, the length of the side of square become height. Remember this. And here in length we subtract double of the side, in breadth we also subtract double of the side. Then we apply the formula of the volume and find whether it is maxima or minimum. So note down.